just got these few books back and wanted to show them real quick. Amazing Spider-Man number 298. We had a 9.2 on this one. I think this one ended up having a big crease on the back, but otherwise it presents like a 9.8 on the front. So really happy to have that. It was raw, probably call it very fine minus or something when I got it in. So we'll be happy about the 9.2 there. Obviously they all can't be perfect. That's these black back covers on 298, 299, 300, 301 are very, very difficult to get 9.8. This one was a swing and a miss. I thought it was a borderline 9.6, 9.8. Newsstand, gentleman I do some work for quite a bit, is still wanting this one in a 9.8. We're trying, but 9.6 seems to be about the best we can do lately. Another difficult book for whatever reason to get in a 9.8 as far as the newsstand goes. I guess it's this black cover, but this thing is beautiful. Just didn't get the 9.8. Same thing on this one. For some reason, this one's pretty elusive as well. The newsstand copy of Amazing Spider-Man. This is number 314. Yeah. Not really a huge key. We probably could just buy it in the 9.8 newsstand. But it's a lot more fun to go after it with some raw copies. Yeah, and see what happens. Maybe a couple 9.2, 9.4 slabs here and there. Once again, same gentleman, same owner. Once got the 9.6. Been getting the right 9.8s for him lately. But still struggling on 2 or 3 issues, and this is one of them. So we'll keep trying. The 9.6 White Pages is a great book still. 9.8 and 9.6 can virtually be the same thing. But yeah, 9.8 carries that premium in value. And different owner on this one, Amazing Spider-Man number 252. Yeah, this is an interesting book. I think I might have pictures of the back of this one, but there was giant bends, big folds through the entire book right here. And there is still like the faintest little hint of that on the back. You could see it if you get it at the right angle. But otherwise, the book looks like a 9.6, you know. So they probably saw those faint little hints of where a bend was on the back. Figured it's a 9.6. Otherwise, we'll give it 9.4. But I know the owner is going to be extremely happy about this 9.4. Because I was expecting 8.0, 8.5 on this book. I did not anticipate when we got started that we'd be able to get it up to 9.4. So this is like one of the biggest wins this year. Put a lot of time and work into this book, and very, very happy, very excited actually to get this 9.4. That's one of my biggest accomplishments actually, is that book right there. I know it's always great to get the 9.8s, pulling rabbits out of hats, but sometimes a 9.4, 9.6 is just as big or bigger of a win than a 9.8. So we got a DC Comics Present 47. I was hoping for the 9.8 on this one, but we got 9. These are all from the same submission, so it's possible this grader is just a slight bit harsh. But I don't think we'll be cracking these because I think these were pretty borderline anyway. I'm trying to remember on this one why. Because from here it looks like a 9.8, but yeah, it could be just an accumulation of small defects, something like that. But I think it's still a grade bump, so hopefully the owner will still be happy to get that 9.6. And this one was a stretch. I actually didn't think, I thought there were some universes we wouldn't even get 9.4 on this one. But we ended up getting a 9.6 on this one. There's just too many ticks right here going on. Now that's pretty common on this book, but there are copies that don't have that. It's not like the most common thing on it. It's common, but it's not like on every single book, so they're not going to discount that completely. But 9.6 still a very strong grade on this book. Batman Adventures number 12. And yeah, first Harley Quinn. So that's all we had actually for today. Short video, but excited about those books. Couple of them in particular. So yeah, man, wanted to share that with you. So stay nerdy. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.